To the guided tour of the Lion Circuits website from SRA. So Lion Circuits are the best PCB manufacturers in India. They are a one-stop solution for all your PCB needs. They do fabrication, they do assembly, they do component sourcing, all done for you. Why choose them? They offer transparency, they offer reliability, timely delivery, and traceability. Now, to actually order a PCB, you have this instant quote box where you can fill all the details of a PCB, like the number of layers, the units, the dimensions of a PCB, and click on instant quote. Uh, After clicking on the instant quote button, you land on this interface where you can upload your Gerber files. I have a Gerber file already for a PCB uploaded. From the name of the Gerber file, Line Circuits automatically fills in the project name. I don't want it to be called Gerbers. I want it to be uh, Lion Circuit PCB, right? PCB from Line Circuits. If you're not sure about how to upload a Gerber file, Lion Circuits provides a sample file format for you to guide you to creating your own Gerber. Now, based on the Gerber file, Lion Circuits automatically fills in all of the details of the PCB, the base material, number of layers, dimensions. You can change the quantity, the default is 5. You can order up 100, you can order how many PCBs as much as you want. I want only 5, so I'm going to keep it at 5. You can change the PCB thickness, the mask color, PCB finish, copper thickness, delivery format, display design. All this is configurable. You can also change the build time. You can have it made faster for you if you are on a time crunch. You can have the PCB built in 4 to 5 days and delivered in 1 to 2 working days. I'm going to keep all of this at default. Once you've done this, you can save the project to your cart. Now, I've already saved some projects to my cart, so I'm going to go to my projects. This is your user interface. So welcome, Shaunak. Okay, thank you. Uh, Here you can go to your profile. If it is a business account, you can create a business account as well. You can check the project that you've created. You can go to your cart. So there are some projects in my cart already. You can buy components from Line Circuits. You can add your BOM based on. So I can add a BOM, bill of materials, and Line Circuits will automatically give me the parts for my project. Okay, you can check out Line Circuits capabilities, FAQs, user guides, and about Line Circuits. Now, once you click on Save to Cart, you land on this interface where you see all your projects. So, Line Circuits PCB, this is a PCB I'm designing right now. Now you can actually configure the detailed information about a PCB. So, fabrication details have already filled in. Assembly, you can upload your bill of materials and have Line Circuits assemble your PCB for you. You can select the number of units you want assembled. I want all the units I've added to be assembled. Assembly type, you can have automatic assembly or manual assembly. Stencil, framed, frameless. So for manual assembly, the default is frameless and solder is leaded. Automatic assembly, you can change and choose your way. After assembly, you can go to procurement and then the summary of the PCB. After you make the payment, you can click on pay now and go to the payment gateway. After you've made the payment, you see the same project. You get an email from Lion Circuit saying that the payment is made. Now, this is a project that I've already completed the payment for, and the fabrication is in process. So this is the detailed tracker that Line Circuits offers you, where you can see the progress of your PCB. After you've completed the payment, you can check when the fabrication process is completed and when the PCB is shipped. Here you see the details of the PCB. It is status is PCB's fabrication is in process. You can see the cost that you paid, number of layers, number of units you've ordered, and Line Circuits also gives you a ship by date, which is 15th of January for my case. In my case, you can get the board area. You can reorder the same PCB. Let's say you run out of the first batch, you can order another second batch. You can download the Gerber file of the PCB that you have uploaded. You can download the quality assurance report. You can download the invoices. Your assembly code is also generated. You can view the code. You can view bill of materials. So this is basically how you order a PCB from Lion Circuits. Lion Circuits has been gracious enough to sponsor our upcoming Volley workshop. A huge shout out to Lion Circuits for that. For all your PCB needs, you can go to Lion Circuits. Thank you, Lion Circuits.